In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a synced database in Notion. A synced or linked database lets you surface the same source data in multiple places without duplicating anything. You get the power to tailor what you see on each page, while all edits stay in sync with the original. Before we begin, make sure you already have your main database set up in your workspace. This is your single source of truth. If you are just starting, create a database and add the properties you need, like status, owner, due date, or tags. The clearer your main database is, the more useful your linked views will be. Now, go to the page where you want the synced copy to appear. Click into the page body and type the /command/linked. From the menu, choose Linked View of an existing database. This tells Notion you are not creating a new database. You are simply pointing to one that already exists. It's like placing a window into your data right where you need it. Next, select the source. Notion will show a list of databases you have access to. Pick your original database from that list. After you choose it, you can either select an existing view like a table, board, calendar, timeline, or list, or create a new view from scratch. If you pick an existing view, it will bring over its layout and settings as a starting point. If you create a new one, choose the layout that best fits the information you want to see on this page. With the linked database in place, it's time to customize the view. Use filters to show only the relevant items, such as tasks assigned to you, items due this week, or entries with a specific tag. Apply sorts to control the order, like sorting by priority or date. Group items to create visual sections, for example, by status or owner, which is especially helpful in board or timeline views. You can also show or hide properties to keep the view clean and focused. And rename the view to make its purpose clear. These customizations affect only this linked view on this page. They won't change other linked views or the underlying data structure elsewhere. A quick note on behavior. Any content edits you make here, adding a new row, changing a status, or updating a date, immediately sync to the original database and every other linked view. View settings like filters and sorts, however, stay local to this page. If others need to see this page, confirm they have access to the original database so the link works for them. That's it. You've created a clean, focused, synced database view tailored to your page, powered by a single source of truth. Thanks for watching.